Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your models will practically build themselves. Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kit Hoarder Stash. Today, I've got one that I'm really excited about. It's something I've wanted for years. It was announced, I want to say back in about 98, 99. It's been on the production stove for many a year, and it's finally out. And that is the Trumpeter 1/32 scale TBD-1 Devastator. About time. I remember when this thing was announced way back in the days when I was working for Douglas Models, and how excited I was that that was supposed to be coming out. Ha. Now, a quarter of a lifetime later, or half a lifetime later, it finally shows up. Yeah. Well, let's see if it's worth the wait. Here's all the supposed cool things it's supposed to have here. Some photo etch, decal sheet, a couple different options here, so let's take a look. Definitely is a lot of plastic. Apparently the wings fold on it. You got a choice of a bomb or a torpedo. And a bunch of other propaganda for stuff that they say they're coming out with. Digging down in deep here for the instructions. Okay. Well, here's our photo etch. Looks like we have some belt buckles and a few other parts in the photo etch. Ooh. Very nice, soft tires. Ooh, ah. Big decal sheet. I don't know. What the heck is this? Well, I guess we'll find out. We'll find out what this is in the instructions, I'm sure. I have no idea what it is. Oh. This thing taped on here. That's not good. So here's our decals. Looks pretty good. Okay, now for the instructions. Wow, okay. Back to where we were here. Okay, number one, putting the interior together. Got the paint call outs. Some photo etch. Finishing up the interior. More interior stuff. So there's a lot to the interior of this, that's for sure. Very detailed. Very detailed engine, appears to be. Getting the main wings and the spar on there. Wheels, tires, flaps. Looks like we got an option of 2 different cowls. That's interesting. Propeller. Here's all the different masks. Oh, so that's what that was. It was masks for the canopy. Okay. Got it. And putting the canopy on. Putting the wings together. Getting them to fold. Putting the tail together. And voila. Finished. I had to get this because, well, I'm going to get one of the Kates that comes out as well. I can't remember which one of the manufacturers over there has the Kate, but they'll all have it within a week, I'm sure. But it'll go well with the Devastator. So here we go. Here is this beautiful chrome yellow wings. And the marking guide. That is a beautiful, beautiful paint scheme. Or you could go with the wartime scheme. Very nice. All right. It's kind of a tough decision because historically the wartime birds probably would be what I'd want to do, but that pre-war multicolored bare metal, beautiful. Okay, so first up we have the inner part of the wings here, flaps, the folds for the inside of the wings. I'm probably going to need to drill these out or bore these holes out. I'll check into that just to make sure, but I'm surprised it didn't come like that, if it's supposed to be like that. I'll have to look. I'll have to research it. Maybe they look like that in real. I don't know. And here's the outer wings. The detail on it is very, very nice. The rivet detail here. The rib detail is very nice. The bottom part of the main wing. And the detail on this, it's hard to see. But the detail looks really, really, really good. Maybe that will help a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, that looks good. Very nice. The engraving on that is very good. This must be the clear parts. Take a look at the clear parts. So you've got 2 different canopies. You got the one that you can show open, or you got the one that's completely closed. So far what I'm seeing is a parts breakdown very similar to the old Monogram kit. With a little bit better detail on things. Okay, and here is the fuselage. Got the inside of the fuselage there. The outside has a lot of really good rivet detail. You can see that. What is this? This is to protect some of the parts, some of the engine parts. So here's your torpedo. Parts to the engine, the seats. Parts of the engine, flaps. Okay. And here's our interior tub. Part of the floor, the prop, other details that you can see here. The instrument cluster down here. And pretty well molded, engraved there. Not too bad. And finally, so here is these doors here. Nice engraving. Landing gear. And your option for the part that you put in for either bombing or for the torpedo. Looks like we've got a couple bombs here. Fire extinguisher, 30 cal. And a few other pieces, parts. And that's it for the screws. Oh, okay, this is what it meant. Here, let's take a look. So, one of these, the cowl flaps is open. That's nice. And then this one's got it closed. Ooh, I know what I'm doing. Build it with cowl flaps open. Okay, and that's it. Quite a bit of plastic, but it doesn't look insurmountable. Definitely a several week project, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm excited to get this built eventually. This will be a really neat addition to anybody who's got 32nd scale aircraft. This will be a great addition to you. So anyway, thanks for joining us, folks, and we'll see you next week again on The Stash.